Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll find out the perimeter discharge relation, that is PQ relation. For this, first we will carry out the relationship between P versus R and A versus P, where the relation for B equals 2 by 5 whole root over FR is equation 1, and for the second equation A F square equals 140 P power 5, where A equals area of channel, R equals hydraulic radius, F equals silt factor, and V equals velocity of flow. In channel, this is equation 2. So from equation 1, raising fourth power on equation 1, the equation 1 will be formed as P power 4 equals 4 divided by 25 dot F square R square. Equation 3, and from equation 2, F square equals 140 P power 5 is divided by A is equation 4. Now substituting equation 4 in equation 3, the value of P4 equals this one is mistake, as this one F square is directly placed value is 140 P power 5 by 1, and R means hydraulic radius R can be given as A by P whole square, where R equals A by P, area by perimeter, or P power 4 equals 4 is divided by 25 dot 140 B power 5 dot A by P square, or 25 by 4 equals 140 dot V A by P square, or 25 by 4 equals 140 dot Q by P square, where Q equals P square equals 140 dot Q dot 4 by 25 equals 22.4 Q. This can be written as 4.75 root over Q equals P. Is one of the most important and universally true equation, where power of Q does not vary through coefficient 4.75 varies between certain range over different regions. which is the required expression for PQ relation, that is perimeter and discharge relation. Again, we will check out the VQF relation. It is a relation expressing V in terms of Q and F. Now, from equation 2, that is we have mentioned in our previous above in this video, is P power 5 is equation 2. For this equation, multiplying by P on both sides, that is A dot V dot F square equals 140 P power 6, where A dot V equals Q, that is discharge formula. Then for this, Q dot F square equals 140 P power 6, or which is the final expression for the BQF relationship. P power 6 is equals QF square. QF square is divided by 140 power 1 by 6 F square, or this can be expressed as P equals QF square is divided by 140 times of 1 by 6. So for this time we end up the video up to this much. We will come again with one new video. Till then, keep on watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.